I had always loved airplanes growing up, and so when I had a chance to start over, I fell right into it. I had a small business that ended up collapsing during COVID. And then when I was looking online, I found that Dallas College was starting their aircraft maintenance program. And I thought, yes, this is something I want to do for my future. The Dallas College program is really a career-ready program that focuses on your long-term success. Over 90% of our students have passed our written exams and are already licensed. It's a lot of taking us from just raw students and turning us into professionals. We have a hangar right over at Redbird. We have engines, we have airframes. We're actually doing the work that we're gonna be doing out in the field and working with the exact tools we would be using. I've discovered it takes a lot of perseverance and determination, as well as not being afraid to roll up your sleeves and get your hands a little dirty.